Hey everyone, Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we have Dave and Denise's 30 Model A Coupe back in for a little bit of work. She's got a nice little rumble to her, don't she? Short exhaust like that. A few months ago, we did a uni-steer setup on it and aluminum radiator. Keep it nice and cool. It had manual steering on it, and with the wider, low-profile front tires, you really had to muscle it when you wanted to turn. But that uni-steer setup changes the ratio, and it's almost like having power steering without the mess of having to install power steering, like a power steering pump and lines. It's really the way to go, especially when you're not starting from scratch. Like, we obviously had to be concerned with the motor mounts that were already there, where the motor was placed. If you mess with hot rods and street rods, if it's a build that's already done, everyone is done a little differently. So the uni-steer setup is definitely the way to go. Look at that color in the sun. I do like the metallics and the pearls, the way they pop. Super nice. Really cool pinstriping. Great colors. It was a done street rod when Dave bought it, and he swapped out wheels and tires, given an update from what was on it. Nice deep dish rears. Look at how deep dish that is. Give it a real hot rod stance to it. Sits nice and low, real nice and low. Look at that. Gotta have 32 grill shell. It's iconic. If you don't know, you know now. That's an iconic grill shell right there. 32 Ford. He had the interior redone. I believe it was a tweed style old street rod interior before, and now suede headliner. Nice leather seats, door panels, pretty cool under dash panel. Clean things up there. Great color combo. Real great color combo. This time around, we modified his exhaust a little bit. per his request. Still sounds bitchin'. Definitely sounds cammed up. I like that rear pan on there too. Nice rolled pan, taillights, bob fenders, nothing sticking out, goofy. No bumpers. What do you need bumpers for? They're pretty pointless anyways, if you know what stock Model A bumpers look like. AC, nice overflow tank. It's got all the right stuff. All the right stuff. He uses it on a regular basis here in Havasu, which I like. I like that a lot. No point in keeping them in your garage, not using them. They're just life-size die-cast cars if you don't use them. Got some nice accent pinstriping on the factory visor here. All right, tinted windows, smoked windows. You gotta have tinted windows. I think you gotta have tinted windows on everything, just about. Especially in Arizona, keep you cool inside. Let me know what you guys think. Hot rods, street rods, new school, old school. I dig this one though. You see him coming for sure. Thanks everyone.
Thank you for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe. We really do appreciate it. Who else likes a well-built street rod that sits low and sounds mean?